The full metal Casio makes a return to the center stage with this stunning gold IP plated model. Featuring strong finishings and great contrast in the dial, this piece flexes its flashiness while not compromising on quality. The GMB2100GD-9 is the fourth addition to the full metal Casio lineup, and let me tell you, every model is equally shiny. We have previously done a video on the other three models, so check that out when you get a chance. Utilizing the iconic Casio octagonal case shape, G-Shock have crafted what I would consider to be one of their best looking watches, here in this model specifically. Maybe I am a little bit biased to the black and gold theme, but I think you just can't ignore how well this piece comes across. It looks great, it feels great, overall it is a stunning watch. The gold hands pop over the black dial, and that makes legibility really good, and that even extends to the inverted LCD display where we have a black background and gold lettering. So this watch is solar powered, and inside that black dial somewhere is the solar receptor. I think it's the main dial plate, but honestly it's pretty hard to tell, which is a good thing. So well done Casio for hiding what could have been an eyesore. At 9 o'clock you'll find a multi-function wheel which includes some nice texture. But it's around the bezel and case where texture really shines. A circular brushed finish is found on the bezel, and some vertical brush finishes can be seen around the side of the case here. I find that these subtle finishes really help to accentuate the material used on this watch, and of course they offer some great looks from up close and afar. Basic specs include measurements of 49.8mm lug to lug, 44.4mm diameter, and 12.8mm thick. So it's not a small watch by any means, but why would you want it small when it looks like this? Weight clocks in at 165 grams, which is no surprise considering the entire watch is made of stainless steel, including the one-touch 3-fold clasp. 200 meters of water resistance is ensured, and of course it is shock resistant. Smartphone link is possible via Bluetooth, which offers handy features such as automatic time zone adjustments and even a Find My Phone feature. A mineral glass tops out the face, and those hands include some Neo Bright. Look, not as bright as a dive watch, but it's definitely not bad. Battery life on these Casio solar models is actually fantastic. 7 whole months when fully charged, and 18 months in storage when the power save function is turned on. And it will keep its time fairly well with only plus or minus 15 seconds a month. So overall, a very well-rounded model in terms of reliability and build quality. Wearing one of these full metal Casios every day could prove a little more difficult compared to its resin case siblings, but I could definitely see this being a great weekend watch considering its boisterous nature. So yeah, that's the new addition to Casio's full metal G-Shock range. If you found this video informative or enjoyable, please do click that like button. If you like to purchase this watch, just head into the description and click the link to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications about new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.